Welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I'd like to share with you my Coach Cassidy Top Handle Crossbody Bag with rivets. In the color Bright Cardinal. This is in refined pebbled leather. The dimensions on the bag are 9 inches in length, 6 1/4 in height, and 3 1/4 in width. The strap drop is 21 3/4 of an inch. It is detachable, of course, and the top handle is 2 inches in height. You have a back pocket. I have an iPhone 10 and it fits it perfectly. The silver rivets, it has silver hardware on it. You have your silver rivets all around the flap, continuing on the back. You have your silver turn lock with the name Coach New York embedded in there. The flap on the inside is brown lining. It feels like suede. You have your front pocket. Again, here's my iPhone 10 and it fits in no problem. The bag itself on the inside is really deep and spacious, so it houses a lot. Then you have your multifunction slip pocket there as well. That fits the iPhone 10 with room to spare. This is such a pretty bag. It is a showstopper. It is a conversation starter. It is a bag that will elevate any outfit. It is a bag that will make you happy. It is just a stunner. And I'm so thrilled that I was able to pick it up and share it with you. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, or you like my content, please click the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. As always, be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Simply pay it forward. Until next time, goodbye.